Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Soundcore H30i headphones, and today I'm going to tell you if you can charge your headphones using your phone. Yes, you can. You just have to have a phone that supports reverse charging. For example, the latest Samsungs or some iPhones. Almost every phone supports wireless charging that has USB Type-C, so don't worry. Then you have to plug your USB Type-C to C cable in your phone, and the second part of our USB Type-C to C cable, as you can see, we have to plug in our headphone USB Type-C port. And now, as you can see, they're charging. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.